Hey guys, welcome to my channel Legal the Legal Solution. We provide wholesome services regarding ITR, GST, EPF, ESIC, IREPS, railway bidding, and all. You can see our services to our website legal.in. So today we are going to discuss about GST registration. Here you can see on our website we provide qualified professional for your GST registration, 24/7 support, on call or WhatsApp or email, premium experience, digital experience and customer satisfaction is our core values. So GST registration online through our website. You can avail this service through our website. Launched on July 1st, 2017, the Goods and Service Tax (GST) applies to all Indian service providers including freelancer, trader and manufacturer. A variety of central tax like service tax, excise duty, CST and state taxes like entertainment tax, luxury tax, octroi, VAT are absorbed in one tax GST, implemented on 1 July 1st July 2017. Mandatory document for online GST registration. PAN card and address proof of proprietor. In the case of LLP Limited Liability Partnership, PAN card of Limited Liability Partnership. Limited Liability Partnership Agreement (LLP Agreement), partner's name and address proof. In case of private limited company, certificate of incorporation, PAN card of company, article of association AOA, memorandum of association MOA, resolution signed by board members, identify and address proof, identity and address proof of director. Digital signature. In case of company, digital signature is mandatory. Whether it's registration of GST registration or in case of company registration, it's also mandatory to have a digital signature of directors. Director or any authorized signatory also. The following can be shown as proof of address of director: passport, voter identity card, Aadhaar card, ration card, telephone or electricity bill, driving license, bank account statement. Add what work as identity proof. One can use PAN card, Aadhaar card and as identity proof. For address proof, any of director can show their voter ID, passport, bill, telephone bill, electricity bill and all. Preparation of GST registration application. Application filing. Once all documents are collected, the application will be proceed and filed. Immediately the ARN number will issued. As you provide the document required for mandatory document required for GST registration, after that we will proceed our formalities and we further go for immediate creation of ARN. After approval of application of GST registration, the GST registration certificate will be provided. voluntary registration under GST for companies with a turnover below 20 lakh. If your turnover is below 20 lakh, then you can also voluntarily register under GST Act. Penalties for GST registration. Failure. If you are failure to GST registration under this act as per section 122 of CGST Act in India, there is direct penalty for all those taxable persons who fail to register for GST. Take input credit. In GST there is a flow of input credit right from manufacturer of goods till the consumer across the country. Basically, previous condition before GST, there is an act VAT under which this tax is regularized, and under VAT at various steps the value addition happened and the tax is implied on value addition. It means if you are adding 10 rupees value to 100 rupees product, then you have only liable to pay 10 rupees tax. Whatever the percentage, you have to pay on the tax 10 rupees amount. Okay. So GST registration return filing. If you are registered under GST, then you can also avail our service of GST return. We also provide nil return with a proper plan. You can opt for a plan which is listed to our website, or you can also contact us for your plan. Whatever your need is, we will provide the services. So thank you guys. You can also visit our website and see our other services like company registration, trademark registration, copyright registration, GST registration, EPF registration, ESIC registration, partnership registration, professional tax registration under various state, NGO registration, trust registration, society registration. All the services can opt by our website. Thank you guys, and keep subscribe my channel Legal the Legal Solution, and keep commenting your queries under any act or any law regarding Indian scenario.